Hi, I'm Eduardo from Harmony Public Schools. My investigation focuses on the concept of diffusion and how it relates to the movement of water. Diffusion is the movement of molecules from a high concentration to a low concentration. In regards to water, osmosis is a form of diffusion that involves the movement of water. One of the concepts presented in the experiment is the role of osmosis in regards to the cell membrane. For example, a cell can be in three situations: in a hypertonic, hypotonic, and isotonic solution. Depending on the solution, the net movement of water differs and can have a serious impact on a cell. This project is associated with biology and is investigated by observing the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane. In the experiment, I used a dialysis tubing with corn syrup and weighed before and after placing it in water in order to see if there was a weight loss or gain, indicating the movement of water. The concept of osmosis was first discovered in 1826 by French physiologist Henri Dutrochet. During this time, the scientific revolution had already taken its hold in Europe, with developments in mathematics, physics, biology, and chemistry. Dutrochet's discoveries demonstrated the scientific discoveries and advancements being made during the scientific revolution. Dutrochet's osmosis experiments and research helped shed light on the concept of osmosis and its role in internal plant transport and diffusion through semi-permeable membranes. For this project, I have written a journal. In this journal, I wrote what happened throughout the experiment. This journal will serve as documentation of problems and advances experienced when doing the experiment. For the next few seconds, I will show the pictures of the materials needed for the experiment. Next, I will show pictures during the experiment. Overall, the experiment performed investigated the process of osmosis through a semi-permeable membrane in order to grasp a better understanding of the idea of diffusion and its role in water movement. In addition, the project also tried to apply osmosis in regards to diffusion occurring at the cellular level, as can be observed in cells under a hypotonic, hypertonic, and isotonic solution. Thus, this experiment gives insight to the general concept of diffusion and its specific part in water movement, as well as giving an example of how the concept of osmosis can be applied in semi-permeable membranes such as that of a cell. My name is Eduardo Garcia, and thank you for watching Harmony Public Schools.